In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-delete all the messages on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down until you find Messages, and then scroll all the way down until you find Keep Messages feature. You can tap on that. By default, this feature checkmarked as forever, so in that case iPhone doesn't delete any of your old messages, but you can switch it to 1 year or to 30 days. That's the periods of time when your messages will be saved at your device. So I'll checkmark 1 year and hit on delete to permanently delete all text messages and the message attachments from my devices. I'll tap on delete and that's it. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.